The Nokia 8 is the lead telephone of the renewed Nokia, now a brand possessed by organization HMD Global, where a considerable measure of ex-Nokia engineers work. Furnished with the Snapdragon 835, the Nokia 8 has an indistinguishable equipment from the best Android telephones out there. However, it undermines them as far as cost. Call it the spending lead of the year, particularly now that the OnePlus 5 is not any more accessible. The telephone is as of now at a bargain in Europe. Sadly, it won't be formally accessible in the United States.